Look what's arrived! Oh! This is February's collection from Madame Glam called House of Love. Oh my gosh, in love. Look at the bottles. First we have Moonchild. How amazing is that name? But look at the bottles. It's all like astrological, finding your inner self. Oh my gosh, love. Okay, so look at all the stars. All the little bits on it. I haven't got any bottles that have got like anything other than just the plain colour with the Madame Glam name on. But look at that colour. Isn't it just the perfect colour to be a base for anything? So, so pretty. So creamy. And then one of my favourites, Love Energy. This is on my index and middle finger. I just fell in love with it. As soon as I opened the box, I was like, that needs to be on my fingers right now. But look at the design on the bottle again. Every single one has got a really cool astrological design on like tarot cards and stuff. And I don't know, it's just beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely love that. And then Bring on the Chaser. This colour is beautiful. I'm not really like, the only pinks that I really like are like pale pinks. Or if it's summertime, I'll have like a coral hot pink. They're the only pinks that I'll have. But this is really, really nice. It's almost like a raspberry smoothie kind of colour. And I'm there for it. I love it. And this name's just amazing. Hardcore. Is that how you would pronounce it? Hardcoeur. I love it. But this is, again, like a, it's not a bright red. It's like a raspberry strawberry red. Like if you had a strawberry smoothie, this is what that would be. I'm not very good at describing colours, but this, like again, I said, I'm not a red or a pink fan. It has to be a really deep pink, deep red, or a pale pink, or a hot pink for the summer, but I love it. And then Astrolove, again, such a nice, beautiful colour. This as well, was thinking would be perfect for fall, for autumn. Thinking of pumpkins and pumpkin lattes and the leaves falling. Yes, definitely. But it's also amazing for Valentine's Day. If you're not a really, really red fan, that is perfect. And then this is my other most favourite, Synergy. This is on my thumbs and my pinkies. There is another little thumb dance got to be done. But yeah. Oh my gosh, look at it. Isn't it the most prettiest purple? I used to have an actual like nail varnish that was this colour and I wore it all the time. So when I saw this, it had to go on my fingers, had to. And then the last two bottles are very, very similar in colour, but there is a difference. Supernova Love, I'll explain now. So this one, it's just jam-packed with the finest glitter. It's champagne gold, but I think it's mixed with rose gold as well, or like a pink. So it's giving off rosé, champagne-y kind of vibes. I love it. It is so, so pretty. Really is pretty. And then the other one, I'm just playing around with this one at the minute because it's so pretty. But it is. Look at it. It is jam-packed with really, really, really fine glitter. It's just beautiful. And then this one, Magic Dust. I fell in love with this, so I put that on my index ring finger. This is pure champagne, pale gold, no pink added to it. It is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let me know which one is your favourite colour. Let me know if you're going to go and buy this collection. It is obviously available now. It's just come out. Don't forget you can use my code to save 30% off the new February collection. And any collection and any polish you want, as long as it's not in the 65%, the 60% outlet. You can't add the 60% and my 30, because then they just wouldn't make any money, would they? So you might have actually seen like my nails a couple of days ago, but obviously I haven't told you what polishes they were or anything. I've been doing a few sneaky designs in my shorts on here, Instagram and TikTok using some of these colours. So I'm going to go back and tag all of the colours and Madam Glam into those shorts and reels and TikToks. So if you need to know what colour I've used, it will be listed. But yeah, let me know which is your favourite colour. Do you have more than one favourite colour? You know I do. Fell in love with all of them immediately. But yeah, I definitely love Love Energy, Synergy and Magic Dust. Obviously Moonchild because it's just perfect for everything. But yeah, I just love them. I love them all. And I'm so happy that Madam Glam sent me them to try and to let you guys see them on the day that they actually go live on their website. Thanks so much for watching. I've just uploaded another video straight after this one and it will be a full tutorial using all of these colours. Thanks guys, bye.